What is e-waste?
All electrical and electronics product, their useful life cycle is end.
E-waste is particularly dangerous due to toxic chemicals that naturally leach from the metals inside when buried. How much e-waste is produced every year?
50 million metric tons. Yes, 50 million metric tons per year.
More than 50 million metric tons of e-waste is generated globally every year, averaging some 7 kilograms of e-waste per capita. The WEEE says its research shows the mountain of electrical and electronic waste, from washing machines and toasters to tablet computers and global positioning system (GPS) devices, will grow to 74 million tons a year by 2030.
The International Waste, Electrical and Electronics Equipment Forum says, on 2022, 5.3 billion mobile phones will be thrown away.
E-waste management refers to the proper handling, disposal, and recycling of electronic waste. E-waste is a major environmental problem as it contains toxic chemicals such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, which can contaminate soil and water if not disposed of properly. It also contains valuable materials such as gold, silver, and copper, which can be recycled and reused in new electronic products.
There are several ways to manage e-waste.
Reduce. The best way to manage e-waste is to reduce the amount of electronic devices you own or purchase. This can be done by repairing and upgrading devices instead of replacing them, and by buying second-hand electronics instead of new ones. Reuse. Electronic devices that are still functional can be donated or sold for reuse, rather than being thrown away. Recycle. E-waste can be recycled by extracting valuable materials from the devices and reusing them in new products. Recycling also reduces the amount of e-waste that ends up in landfills. Dispose. Electronic devices that cannot be repaired, reused, or recycled should be disposed of properly. This means taking them to a certified e-waste recycling facility or collection center. Never dispose of e-waste in the regular trash as it can be hazardous to the environment and human health. Governments and organizations around the world are working to develop policies and regulations to properly manage e-waste. The EU WEEE Directive designates safe and responsible collection, recycling, and recovery procedures for all types of electronic waste. The directive also imposes the responsibility for the disposal of waste electrical and electronic equipment on the manufacturers or distributors of such equipment. It is important for individuals to also take responsibility for their e-waste and dispose of it properly to protect the environment and human health. Thanks for watching.